Hey everybody, so what we're going to do is put up a dog fence panel that's actually got electric wire on the bottom so he doesn't dig under and out. He is a digger. You see that hole right there? Like, yeah. So what we're going to do is put this fence up temporarily to put him in. And the only reason that we have to do this right now is because the girls are in heat and we're not ready for puppies. That's next year. So watch and see what we do, how we put up the electric fence on the bottom, and we'll keep them out from breaking out, and let's keep them from having puppies right now. It's not something we need. Too much to do.
I got the heavy side.
So we had to dig a little trench in the hill that's right there. Just put the gate down in it actually a little bit. It's only temporary stuff we're doing. It ain't permanent, whatever. That'll work. So dig the trench to get a little more flat ground. So the next ones that go up, there's not all warped out and walky.
Of course
Okay, so now that we have this fence here connected in the front, you got our gate, and it's a 20 by 30 is what we're going with. But we want to connect down that way first against the electric fence, and then we're going to come towards this corner here. That way we don't fall short on that side. We can always pivot this in or that out to get it. So because it doesn't come up straight off the other post and we're angling out because of trees and everything else, we doesn't line up the same way it would on a regular fence. I don't care. My dog doesn't care. He's not gonna say, "Oh, this isn't square. You gotta go back." Okay, put it up, wire it up. He ain't gonna be jumping on it because the bottom part's gonna be hot. He ain't gonna be messing around with that. And then either is anybody else. The wire tie that I'm using, it's just electric fence wire. It'll get the job done. It'll hold it up. And if I have any weak spots or something does happen, I'm right here. I can fix it. No big deal. But I think it should be alright. And yes, some of them have the clamps. I have the pole clamps. And I can take them off and put on the other ones. I may do that for this gate down here. Here nor there at the moment. This works, and it will work pretty good. So let's get back to it and get it on. More stuff to do. Alright, that's what we're doing. So, got the fence post there. You got hot grounds. We're just gonna take the ground hot from the very bottom here, and then we're gonna run it around and connect it up. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. We'll show you what it looks like when he's inside. And does it work? Boy. Get some more. Ooh, you see how he moved just now? He saw the electric line. He recognized that line. Good boy. Yeah. He doesn't have to get zapped by it. That makes me happy. Okay. So the reason we had to put our puppy in there. Yeah, good bear. He's a good boy. He's just a puppy still, aren't ya? Was because of this girl. It's all your fault, Harley. Harley. What did you do? Did you go into heat? Yeah? You don't know any better. No. Mm-hmm. She's already had one litter. We're not ready for a litter right now. We got too much to do. He's a good girl. Yes, you are a good girl. Look at her all happy. She's like, yeah, I am. And then, poor bear. He'll be alone for a little bit, but he'll be okay. He'll get plenty of loving still. Won't you? Yes, you will. He's a good boy. Look at that pretty puppy. Yeah. He's like, but my girl's over there. How will I get to her?